70K right now.
70.
It's a duplex.
I'm gonna have to send you what I've been looking at.
Huh?
So I'm gonna have to send you the ones I've been looking at.
Okay. Are you looking at single family?
I'm looking at multifamily.
For
There's,
how much?
not 70K.
Oh, I thought you were looking at 40K.
Yeah, like between 40 and 60.
Okay.
Ooh, this thing needs some work.
Yeah, so this is the deck. It's quite rough. And then, let me get this.
70K, and you said it's a duplex, right?
Yeah.
How many bedrooms?
Right now it's like 3-1-3-1. It's 2-1 downstairs, but I think there's opportunity for like the value add.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. Okay. I'll keep the key here. So let's start down here because it's too dark.
Should we just lock this door?
That's fine. I have the key. Alright, so we'll walk quickly. The floors are good, the grounds are good. So this is the living room. There's no utilities.
No
That's
utilities.
a closet. This is
It smells like water damage in here.
open area. It does? Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Probably. This is an open area that I think can be converted into a room.
Okay.
If you just put a wall here. So behind us would be the room.
That would be the room?
Yeah.
They don't have like standard room sizes, like 10
No.
by 10?
I've
Really?
seen smaller ones. They don't even need closets.
What the heck?
They just need, I think, a window. Then that's a room.
Oh, this is really messed up.
So a lot of the homes have lopsided flooring. Just because I'm sure the joists have moved after over 150, 100 years. And this is a bathroom.
You just said that so casually.
I've seen quite a bit today. And then this is the kitchen. It's quite big actually.
Yeah.
Then that's another bedroom. So you see it's a 2-1 right now.
Mm-hmm.
But if you make that value add, I shared you have a 3-1. Then this is just under the stairs upstairs. Then let's go outside while we're here. So there's the backyard, which is actually what do you think?
I think it needs a lot of work.
Really? Okay. Maybe we should just start from that. Huh?
I think it's not worth 70.
Oh really?
How long has it been on the market?
I don't know, but it just came back on the market yesterday, so it came back on the market.
Yeah, so like the siding needs to be replaced. The chimney needs to be fixed.
Or cut off.
Oh, like you would take the chimney out?
Why do people need chimneys?
It gets cold here.
They use the heater, though.
That's expensive.
Isn't it a risk to have a fireplace in it?
It is, but like I feel like it can warm the house more efficiently sometimes
We
than.
now have electricity. We don't need fireplaces
Shit.
anymore.
I mean, okay, you could take out. I took out the chimney in my Chicago.
Or just lock it so it's aesthetic.
Yeah, sure. I took out. Yeah, I
Like
took
a
out my
phantom
chimney.
chicken.
But I think not. You'd have to do more than lock it because the chimney, if you look at it, there's places where water can get in, which you don't want. So yeah, I think it needs a good amount of work. Of course, you need new gutters, new soffit and fascia.
What's soffit and fascia?
So the parts of the roof that are underneath, and then the top part. They're basically the wood parts by the gutters. So you see the gutters, the underneath part.
You don't think it needs a totally new roof? Maybe we'll see the rest of it.
It doesn't look like it. Like when I'm looking at this side, I mean, some of those shingles look fine, but I can't see like all the way up there, so I don't know. But I think it's really just a lot of water issues there's probably like water underneath there.
The basement is actually very clearly accessible. So let's try to. I'll turn on my flash. Oh, let me lock it up. Yeah. Oh, there's actually light there. Or maybe it uses battery. So, this is the basement.
Oh shoot, I don't think we should go down there.
Oh, I went there. But
Oh really?
yeah,
Is there stairs?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, I didn't see the stairs.
But there's not much. The basement just has the water heater. And then has the piping. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it smells like water.
Water.
Like wet material.
Mm. When there's water damage, is that caused by the roof, or you mean just like maybe some of the pillars are rotten?
It's hard to tell from like because it's so dark, but it could be. I feel like it's coming from below because of the floor buckling and all that. But it could be from the walls too. I can't tell. I can't see. Those studs don't look rotten, but we don't know what's on the other side of that.
Okay. Then just to go upstairs then.
$70,000.
That's what they're asking for. So this actually has some pretty high ceilings.
Oh, this is interesting. This is probably a foundation issue.
Funny?
Foundation issue.
What happened?
See how the crack?
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah. So
There's like shifting it.
foundation issues are expensive.
This is just in the attic, so you can ignore that.
Smells interesting.
Yeah, like pet smoke.
Oh yeah, I see a cat litter box over there.
So there are 2 rooms over there.
Are
so
there
you can
squatters in here?
No. I hope not. It does look locked. So this is 1 room.
Oh, this is tiny.
Yeah.
What in the world?
Yeah,
This
that's
is
what I was
not a
trying to
room.
show. Then this is another room. Then that's the patio.
This was the cat's room.
Probably, yeah. Yeah, see all the scratches.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Interesting.
And then this is, I think, the living room. So there's the couches. Probably an eviction. This is the kitchen. So they didn't take everything.
Okay, was someone working in here or something?
Yeah, I think they started some work and then left it. And then this is the bathroom. The bathroom is actually in a good position.
Oh,
Yeah.
so they definitely did some.
Then this is the kitchen there. No, this is a bedroom, but then here is this tiny room. So it looks like they did a chop up. This space is like just, that's the laundry. It's like, then if you come in here, I don't want you to get scared, but over here is just like a closet, and then here is the stairway down, and you see the roof is like falling out. Not falling out, but the insulation is falling out.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's.
So that's what I was saying. Maybe you now think the roof needs some repairs. You know when you were like talking about the roof.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's wood rot.
So let me see.
That dark colored wood up there. That's
Is that wood rot?
wood with water on it. You can also see the water spots up here in the top, in the drywall. That's probably why they tore it out. You can even see the water damage on the door. It looks like it flooded in here.
From the roof?
I don't know if it's from... Yeah, it must have come from up top.
Yeah.
That roof has a lot of openings though, so I'm not surprised. Like the chimney literally just...
So it was just like just tearing it down.
Yeah. They probably got overwhelmed with this rehab, honestly.
Yeah, so this.
Yeah, that needs to be replaced. That's wood rot.
Yep.
I feel, yeah, see, that happened to me in Chicago. Like, I had to
After, or that's how you got it?
No, I didn't know until I opened the walls, and then, like, most of the beams were rotten.
Jesus.
Because the roof needed, the flashing wasn't working on the roof, and so...
What's flashing?
Flashing is like those little metal strips that divert water away from the roof materials, the roof covering and stuff, so that it doesn't penetrate the roof covering.
Gotcha.
So the flashing was missing and torn, and so I guess that's how water got into the roof. And then all the beams were rotten, so I had to like put all new beams, which is basically building a new house. Like, like let's be real here.
So would you consider? But it wasn't like a full gut though.
Yeah, it was like a full gut.
Really?
Yeah, I mean,
So how did that impact
my budget?
Yeah.
It was actually fine. We just, because we were kind of trying to do like a little bit of nice finishes and stuff, so we had to change that. What really impacted my budget is when the contractor
You had to change it, yeah?
Yeah, when he walked off the job. So,
Do you think the sun will want to come out?
no.
Oh, okay.